Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show how to install a software on your PC and how to uninstall a software from your PC. So at first we are showing that how to install a software on your PC. So first download this software. It is a screen recorder software. Now we can download it. So downloading, please wait. So if downloading has not started automatically, please click here. So downloading already started. Here you can see it. So now it is complete, and now we are going to downloads folder and select this software, and it's moved to desktop, and I want to install this software on my PC. So click on the software, left on mouse, then you can see many menus to comes up. So you can select run as administration to click on it, and sometimes it comes a window which yes or no. So you can set up yes. So then installation process comes up. So now your software is installing, and please wait for some times. Now you can see it, my software is installed successfully on my PC. So here you can so here you can see this is my software, and this is setup file. I delete it. So this is my software, it's installed on my PC, and now I am going to show how to uninstall this software from PC. So first go to start menu and search on it control panel and click it. Then open this panel, and you have to go programs, then programs and features, then which programs are installed on your computer you can show here. To select this software which you want to uninstall from your computer. So I selected this software and uninstall or change. Uninstall, click it, wait for some times, then uninstall, then wait for some times, then yes, and then uninstall completely. Uninstall was completed successfully. Uninstall complete. So you can uninstall this software like this and install a software like this. So I believe that you get helpful from this video. So please do like and do subscribe my channel for another updates, and I update on my channel many installation process in my softwares and many tips and tricks about mobile phones. So please do subscribe and hit the like button.